Good morning everyone. I am Akansha Avinash Kodalkar from grade 6. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Monday and the date is 10th March 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Shraddha Olympiad from grade 7. Standing before you to tell today's thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is the tyrant dies and his route is over. The martyr dies and his route begins. I repeat, the tyrant dies and his route is over. The martyr dies and his route begins. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sari Newton from grade 7.
This is Pasha Patil from grade 7.
My name is Chhatrapati from grade 7. I am Mayank from grade 7.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing the Balidan Diwas. That means the death anniversary of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj.
Sambhaji Maharaj was the eldest son of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. He was the second Chhatrapati of the Maratha Empire. He was born on 1657. He was a brave warrior and a skilled leader. He fought numerous battles to protect his kingdom.
Now I want to give some information about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was murdered on March 11, 1689. He was captured by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb after a fierce battle and was tortured towards death.
Now you might be wondering why Balidan Diwas is important. It is important for promoting patriotism, gives inspiration for courage and honors his sacrifice.
Now let us share some piece of information related to his bravery in battle. He is known for his leadership in Maratha Mughal wars. He fought with many strategies, courage and defending the Maratha Empire against Mughal forces.
Let me share some key points of legacy of Sambhaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Maharaj's life represents the spirit of resistance against tyranny and the fight for justice, and his courage the face of continues to inspire leaders and citizens alike.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on integrity, bravery, loyalty and fighting for freedom of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj.
On this Balidan Diwas, let's honor Sambhaji Maharaj's bravery and his sacrifice. May his courage to inspire us to live with integrity and patriotism. Thank you.